Now we'll see working of logic or circuit for double acting cylinder using indirect control. Now before we proceed further, we'll try to understand the basic of this circuit. So as you can see, we are having compressor, then 5/2 direction control valve, and then double acting cylinder. And here the indirect control of the circuit is shown. So solenoid valve, which is there, which is Y1, is operated through the relays, through the relay and through the relay switch. It is not directly connected to the switches S1 and S2 or power supply. So this is the meaning of the indirect control. So let us see how to draw this pneumatic circuit as well as the electric circuit. So let us see step by step how to draw this particular circuit. So we'll remove this because we have to draw the double acting cylinder. Now select the 5/2 way direction control valve, then the double acting cylinder as usual. Then make the connections from the compressor to the valve and from the valve ports to the cylinder ports. So this is the solenoid operation. Give name as Y1 or label it as Y1 as usual. So left envelope mode is solenoid operated, right envelope mode is spring control. Now when you press this particular switch S1, then the relay will get energized and this relay will in turn operate this particular switch K1, which will get closed. Initially it is normally open, now it has got closed, and then it will operate the solenoid valve Y1 in such a way that will get the left envelope mode. So compressed air from port 1 to port 4, it will enter on this side of the piston and will cause the forward motion. The air from the other side is exhausted from port 2 to port 3. So either you can press switch S1 or press S2, then also you will get the same operation. So this is the forward stroke. Now when you release the switch, then due to the spring force, you will get the right envelope mode. The air from port 1, compressed air from port 1 will enter to the port 2 and will cause the retraction of the piston. Air from other side will be exhausted through this port 5 as usual. Now if you press the switch S2, then also you will get the left envelope mode. So either you can press switch S1 or S2. So that is known as the logic or control. So you can see, observe carefully over here that we are pressing the switch S2 and then releasing it, so that we'll get the same operation.